When you speak about, let us go for this. Suppose if I give you students vector A is given to you as 3i plus j plus 2k, and vector B as 2i minus 2j plus 4k. The question asks the students, find the magnitude of A cross B, students. That's the first question. And then the next question is find unit vector perpendicular. Find unit vector perpendicular to both vector A and vector B. Unit vector perpendicular to both vector A and vector B. This is the second question. And the third question is find the cosine and sine of the angle between vector A and B. Find cosine and sine between vector A and vector B. Are the three questions clear with all of you? Students, are the
Yes,
three?
sir.
Again, I repeat, students. Shant has raised his hand. A vector I have given to you as 3i plus j plus 2k. Vector B is 2i minus 2j plus 4k. I wanted to find out the magnitude of the cross product of A and B. Unit vector perpendicular. Students, this is perpendicular to both vector A and vector B. Okay, unit vector perpendicular to the both vector A and B. Cosine and sine between A and B. Please solve it, and one who gets it, do raise hand. Nishant has already raised his hand. Two students have raised hand. Smith. Just come on, the rest of them. Ashmita, Jason, Parth, Purvi, Ajwal, Priya, Shri. Three students have raised hands. Upendra also has raised hand. Good. Okay, Nishant, you give me the answer for the first one. Nishant is going to give me for the first part. Smith, you give me for the second part. Upendra will be giving me for the third part. Okay. Nishant, go to the first part. Magnitude of cross product.
It'll be 1 upon root 3 bracket 1 I cap minus j cap minus k cap.
That means what exactly they are telling you to find out? Is it the cross product and then finding out the magnitude?
No, we just what we do is we put I, J, K, and then we put make a table with below I is 3, 2, J 1 minus 2, and K 2 4. Then we to find I we multiply J and K. So 1 into 4 minus minus 2 minus 4, which will give you plus 4. So it will be 4 plus 4, which gives you 8. Then for j cap, we multiply I and k, which is 3 into 4, which is 12, and 2 into 2, which is 4. So 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. So you'll get minus 8 because it's minus j cap. And then k cap, you'll get k cap, you'll get 3 into minus 2 and minus 2. 2 into 1 minus 2 will give you minus 8.
Fine. After that, what are you going to do?
After that, we find the magnitude, which we put root, and then
That's what
we
I asked
put
you.
square.
Absolutely correct. So students, he's trying to say, he said the entire mathematical relation. That means you have to use determinants, students. And when you go for this question, simply go for, first of all, A cross B. Students, ये solution पहले वाले का, which Nishant has answered for it. Okay, so A cross B, if I have to go for the determinants, I, J, K, students. Now put the magnitude of each we consider. For A bar, it's 3, 1, 2. For B bar, it's 2, minus 2, and 4, students. Now, when I want to go for cross product, the rule of determinants we consider this. Take I cap, block the terms of I cap, cross from left to right, top to bottom. Left to right, top to bottom, students. Left to right, top to bottom. Agreed? And over here, you go from top to bottom. So this, in this case, it will be 1 into 4 minus. So it's 1 into 4 minus into bracket kya hoga? 2 into minus 2. Please, students, do remember or do take this very carefully. When I move from left to right, multiplication hoga minus sign. And the product of these two, always try to consider that. The second part of the term will be minus j, not plus j, minus j. Block the terms of j, students. Block the terms of j. So you'll have 3 and 4. Move from left to right, students. So this will be 3 into 4, that will be 12. With a minus sign. So yahan pe minus sign, exactly minus sign. And now go for 2 2s up, that will be 4. But the last term will be plus k cap, students. Now when I go for plus k cap, block the terms. Please, those students in the last lecture, हम लोग ने जब ये खत्म किया था तो determinants का rule मैंने समझाया था, मैंने mathematical formula दिया था. Now today we are going solving problems also based on to that also. So I'm repeating the mathematical formula once again. Those students who have gone through it will be getting it. But those students who do not go through it, please, it's a second chance for you to understand. Later on, when such kind of problems comes, you need to get the answers, students. So now when I block this key cap, what exactly 3 into 2, what exactly? Minus 6, minus 2. So now what exactly your cross product? So my cross product A cross B will be equal to what? This is 2 2s are minus 4. Minus 4. I getting it? And this is minus, so that will be plus 4. 4 and 4, this is 8i. 12 minus 4 will be equal to how much? 8. So it's minus 8g. Minus 6 minus 2, what exactly consider will be minus 8, minus 8k cap. Nishan, did you get this as the cross product?
Yeah.
Now, do I need a cross product? I need the magnitude of cross product, students. They have asked us to find out magnitude of cross product. Students, cross product is in terms of I, J, and K. How do I find out the magnitude? So we'll say, sir, it's in a rectangular coordinate. यानी ये 3 orthogonal vertices हो गया, तीनों mutually perpendicular हो गए. तो इनका अगर मुझे resultant चाहिए, तो simple relation what we did earlier. Length of the longest rod which can be fixed in a cuboid. ये क्या हो जाएगा, sir? This will be 8 square plus into bracket minus 8 the whole square plus into bracket minus 8 the whole square. भले तुम साइंस अगर नेगेटिव लोगे स्टूडेंट्स, तुम्हारा आंसर रिजल्टेंट always will be positive because it's plus into bracket. Now this will be 64. 64, so can I say this becomes 100 3 times 64? What is root of 64? I'm getting it as 8. So can I say this is 8 root 3? So that's your answer for magnitude of this 8 root 3 units. Is this clear with everybody? Is the first part clear, students? The rest of the students who are not able to get it, still the number of hands are only 3. Baki journal solve kya hoga? Parth, what about you, Parth?
Understood, sir.
Understood. Okay, Shri, what about you, Shri?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting it? Jason? Purvi,
Yes, sir.
Priya,
Yes, sir.
then raise your hands. If in case if you have, if you know it, you should try to solve it and try to get the answer. Build up your confidence, students. Solve नहीं करोगे, confidence build up नहीं करोगे, and when the exams come into it, you will be into a mess. Is that clear? ये first part हुआ. Second part, yes. Who's answering for the second part? Unit vector, perpendicular to both A and B. Tell
So
me.
for the unit vector, we will take vector A cross vector B divided by modulus of A cross modulus of B.
Why? He's saying it. Listen, wait a minute. Wait a minute. He's saying it unit vector perpendicular both. तो उसने क्या बोला? He's saying it A cross B upon magnitude of A cross B. Smith, why you had to go for this? What's the reason behind it?
So because it's told perpendicular, so both the side can be.
Okay, fine. He has got the matter. He's got the matter, but he's not able to express it. Now, listen, students carefully. Everybody, please listen carefully. Question was A and B, A cross B. I'm getting it. Cross product we consider is. मुझे ये बताओ, when exactly the value of A cross B is maximum, students? When exactly the value of A cross B is maximum? When they are parallel or when they are perpendicular?
Perpendicular.
Okay. यानी अगर suppose मैं cross product लेने जाता हूँ, that's maximum. So what do I consider? Vector A. Try to understand this, students. This is vector A. I'm putting in a horizontal plane. ये vector A है और ये vector B है. What I need? I need A cross B. तो अगर मैं A to B जाता हूँ, ध्यान से सुनना, A to B जाऊंगा, please students, A to B. Look at the top view. You are in front of screen. Look at the top view. Agar if I take the blue pen closer towards B, A cross B, students, am I going clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Anti-clock.
Okay, suppose if I put in this manner, I getting it. So what exactly if I'm going in this way? With respect to you, what exactly it is? Is it clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
Clockwise.
I getting it. So now if I happen to consider clockwise जा रहा है, तो इनका resultant कहाँ पे होगा? ये जो vectors है, हमेशा बताओ cross product के अंदर there is a resultant. Everybody, please, cross product के अंदर resultant हमेशा कहाँ पे होता है? Yes, somebody raised hand. Who raised hand? Upendra, answer.
So it can be given by the right hand rule also, but in general the resultant of the cross product is perpendicular.
Always perpendicular. And that's a right and screw rule we consider. Students, कभी भी cross product का आंसर निकालोगे ना, A cross B लो या B cross A लो, तुम्हारा आंसर हमेशा perpendicular होगा along the axis. हाँ, वो ध्यान में रखना. Everybody listen carefully. If in case if my A cross B is in clockwise direction, my resultant will be along negative axis. लेकिन perpendicular होगा. If I go for A cross B and if I'm going in anti-clockwise direction, my resultant will be perpendicular, but along positive. Kya ye clear hua, everyone? And this part I have made it very, very clear, as if I'm trying to put forward, this is vector A, this is vector B, let us say an angle theta. Now if I say A cross B, if I'm making A to move in this direction, so where is my perpendicular? My perpendicular is this, so resultant yahan pe ja raha hai. How is it? It's perpendicular, the cross product of both. पूछा गया क्या है? Unit vector perpendicular to both A and B, students. Unit vector यानी क्या हुआ? Sir, you have to find out unit vector of resultant. Suppose students, अगर मैं unit vector भी यहाँ पे दिखा दूँ, अगर मैं यहाँ पे unit vector दिखा दूँ, तो देखो ना unit vector का direction और resultant का direction same जा रहा है. यानी indirectly उन्होंने पूछा क्या है? That asked you unit vector, that means indirectly that asked you resultant of unit vector R. Okay, it's unit vector R. Unit vector resultant, they're telling you they are one and the same. ये दोनों एक ही direction में है. And are they perpendicular? Yes. तो कैसे निकालोगे फिर resultant? हाँ सर, इसका तो आंसर क्या आएगा? आंसर सुनाइए. तो R बार आता है. A cross B will be equal to what we consider. That's I'm getting. And in terms of R, suppose I have to go for this. A cross B is equal to A B sin theta. Can I say this is simply modulus of A cross B? Now, if I see a unit vector, how do you define unit vector, students? Unit vector, it's a ratio of vector to its magnitude. ये क्या था तुम्हारा? सही, तो मेरा R bar था. तो ये देखो ना, मैंने R bar लिख दिया यहाँ पे. मैग्नीट्यूड क्या होगा? A cross B. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ स्टूडेंट्स, all of you all? Then I'll proceed further. Is this part clear to all of you all? Unit vector of the resultant is a ratio of vector to its magnitude, students. So ये जो तुम्हारा R bar था, that is actually A cross B. And the magnitude part is A into B within the modulus sign. Is this clear with all of you all? Those students you haven't.
Yes, sir.
Yes, they're saying it yes. What about the rest of them?
Yes.
Aryan,
Yes.
Arman, what about you? Alicia? Okay, Alicia says yes. Fine. So now, let us solve this for this. If I happen to go for this, what exactly my answer would be, students? Let's go for this. Yes, Smith, now continue.
So we will put the value the a cross vector B we have found already. I 8 I cap minus 8 J cap minus 8 K cap upon 8 root 3.
Absolutely correct, students. So see, he's got the answer accordingly. ये देखो इसका आंसर तो हमें मिल गया है. ये आंसर ही वाला है, students. Okay, which Nishant will solve it further. P क्या होगा sir? It's 8I minus 8J minus 8K upon modulus of A cross B क्या मिला है? 8 root 3. So can I say I can remove 8 outside? So what exactly my answer will be? I by root 3 minus J by root 3 minus K by root 3. Is this clear with all of you all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The last part, third one. I want to find out cosine and sine of the angle between A cross B. Yes, Upendra.
So
So for this one, first we'll have to find certain values, which is mod of A dot B.
Okay. Mod of.
A dot B.
Okay. Why are you going for A dot B? The question was on the cross product. Why did you go for dot product?
Sir, because they have asked the cosine of the angle between A and B. So in cross products, we take sine theta as component. So we won't be able to find the cos one.
So students, what he's trying to say, अगर cosine of an angle पूछा है, sine of an angle पूछा है, तो students always select your rules. Dot product will give me A, B, cos theta, and cross product is going to give me A, B, sin theta. तो students, दोनों केस में तुम्हें पूछा क्या है? Cos theta, sin theta. Once you have to go for cos theta, second time you have to go for sin theta. So now he's going to go for cos theta. What exactly cos theta he's trying to say? It's A dot B upon what? Modulus of A and modulus of B. Carry on.
Yes, sir. So vector A is given to us as 3I cap plus J cap plus 2K cap. By using the length of the longest rod, we can find the value of vector A, that is mod of vector A, which comes out to be root 14.
Absolutely correct. Now see, he's finding out the modulus of A and B. So it's vector A, B, vector B. What is modulus of vector A? So it's kind of a length of the longest rod. 3 orthogonal vectors. So chances are now length square, breadth square, height square. So 2 square is 9 plus 1 plus 4, which will be how much? Root of 14. Agree? For the second one, 2 square is 4 plus into bracket minus 2 square plus 4 square, that is 16. So what exactly? 4 and 4, 8. 16 plus 8 will be how much?
24. So it will be under root 24.
Yes. Now, and what is A bar dot B bar?
So A dot B is AB cos theta.
No, but it's A dot B. Now, so what exactly A dot B will be?
Sir, A dot B will be AB cos theta, which comes out to be root 3.
Okay, now the answer is in that. A dot B is actually a sign of the dot product of these two. And what's the rule? I dot I1, J dot J1, K dot K1. So now simply three terms. I told you now when you multiply for A dot B, ye three terms and these three terms when you multiply, you should get 9 terms. But students, out of 9 terms, 6 terms will be 0. Please do recollect. हम वापस डॉट के ऊपर एक प्रॉब्लम सिलेक्ट कर रहे हैं. हमारा स्टडीज जा रहा था क्रॉस के ऊपर, लेकिन एक क्वेश्चन आ गया कोसाइन का. We had to shift back to dot. So students, when you're in the learning process, moving ahead, don't forget the backlog. Don't forget the things which you have done it previously. So now if I want to go for dot product, I dot I is 1, j dot j is 1, k dot k is 1. तो दोनों का प्रोडक्ट निकालो तो 3 2 6 आएगा. Agreed? Plus into minus minus. 2 1s are 2. Plus into plus is plus. 4 2s are 8. So now if I happen to go for 6 minus 2 is 4, what's my answer is 12. So what's my numerator, students? 12. What's my denominator? Root of 12, root of 24. Agreed?
Sir, root 14.
Pardon?
Root 14.
Oh, very sorry.
Sir, the denominator.
Very sorry, root 14. Root 14. Root 14. Ashmita. Okay. Now carry on from here.
So now we'll have to cancel the things. So after cancelling, we will be left with root 3 by root 7.
Okay. We'll get as root 3 by root 7. So cosine of theta क्या है? Cosine of an angle, not theta. Cos theta पूरा पूछा students. अगर theta होता तो cos inverse of root 3 by root 7. And students, you all can solve this clearly. अगर तुम्हें पूरा सॉल्व करना है तो तुम ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. ये 12 को रूट के अंदर ले लो ना. 144 upon 14 into 24. Cancel करो. Cancel करो. Whatever you can cancel. Final answer you'll get root 3 and root 7 in the numerator and root 7 in the denominator. Just 12 को रूट के अंदर ले लो. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ? Cos theta form, the sine of an angle, all of you all.
Yes, sir.
Now sine of an angle between A and B.
So now the sine of an angle can be given by simple cross product. So mod of A cross B equals to AB sine theta.
A cross B is equal to AB sine theta we consider. So now in this case for sine theta, what exactly you consider?
Now
Mod
sine
of
theta will be equal to A cross B divided by modulus of A and modulus of B. So
Now-
A cross B we found out, which was coming to be 8 root 3.
Should I go
And-
for A cross B? Should I go for A cross B or what you said in modulus of A cross B?
Modulus 1.
Absolutely. ये देखो स्टूडेंट्स, ये ध्यान में रखना. A cross B हम लिखते हैं AB sin theta, लेकिन वो AB sin theta is a modulus part of it. क्योंकि अगर तुम sin theta को लिखोगे ना, अगर तुमने ये modulus नहीं डाला तो तुम्हें IJ की में आएगा आंसर. I need a suitable value. I need an angle. तो स्टूडेंट्स ये मैग्नीट्यूड होना चाहिए, ये ध्यान में रखना. Now already we have solved for magnitude. What's the magnitude of A cross B? चलो but 8 to 3 देखो यहाँ पे आंसर आ चुका है. तो ये क्या होगा? 8 to 3 upon modulus of A and modulus of B. Yes, Upendra, what is modulus of A?
So we found out the value of which was root 14 multiplied by root 24.
Yes, root 14 multiplied by root 24, and that will be equal to sin theta. अगर इसको और अच्छी तरह से सॉल्व करना है, so you can consider h square is 64 into 3 upon 14 into 24. On solving it, what exactly you get?
So
2 upon root 7.
yes.
Sin theta will be 2 upon root 7. क्या ये clear हुआ students to all of you all? Is this?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
so in second part we will show that 1 upon root 3 will be plus minus 1 upon root 3, no?
Which one? This
In
one.
second part. No, sir, in second. Second, that unit vector one.
So he's saying when we are finding unit vector.
Because see, direction is absolutely. Who's this? Who's this person?
So Miss Smith.
Yes, Smith. Absolutely correct. Smith. Students, when you go for unit vector, of course, see, that's what I told you now. Direction, whether clockwise and anti-clockwise, I'm getting upwards and downwards. So the correct way of representation of unit vector, yes, I will consider ये तुम्हारा answer है ना. This has to be in terms of plus or minus. लेकिन अगर मैंने डायरेक्शन एंटी क्लॉकवाइज किया तो मुझे पॉजिटिव में लिखना है, क्लॉकवाइज है तो मेरा आंसर नेगेटिव, व्हिच आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. Yes, you can put forward over here. Absolutely correct. A plus or minus speaks about direction of the resultant unit vector we consider. Clear, students, to all of you all the students inside the lectures. 45. Alicia, clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Parth, what about you, Parth? Where are you? You're not answering today.
Sir,
Yeah.
clear.
Okay, fine. No, a few students too whose name I can remember it because they do speak it out, they do interact. So it's like that. So interaction होता है तो उनका नाम ले सकते हैं. बाकी का if I speak also they don't reply. So then normally teachers stop. They don't speak out those names further ahead. Can I erase this part, students?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students, the next question. A force is acting on a body and the body undergoes a rotation. The distance of the rotating arm from the axis of rotation is given to you as R bar is equal to I minus J plus 6K in meter. And the force acting on the body in order to rotate is 2I plus 3J minus K in Newton. So students, my question is find out the moment of force. Magnitude of moment of force. Magnitude of moment of force is how much? Friends, is the question clear? A body is set to rotate about a given axis due to a force of 2I plus 3J minus K in Newton. And this force is applied at an end of a rotating arm from the axis I minus J plus K, 6K in meter. I wanted to find out magnitude of moment of force. Students, is this question clear with all of you all? Again, 3 students, Upendra, Nishant, and Smith has raised hands. Come on, I want somebody else. A new student. Yes, anybody else? Come on, answer. Daria, Jason, Mariam, Nivedita, Parth, Purvi, Prajwal, Pratham, any of you, all, Pritesh. निशांत बस I asked you magnitude निशांत मैंने magnitude पूछा है the answer is correct find the magnitude निशांत yes निशांत can you get an answer in decimals of that answer close by not accurate close by come on anybody else okay Upendra you answer you raise your hand first answer
Sir, the question is about moment of force. So we'll first have to go by definition, which says moment of force is R cross F.
absolutely correct just hold the students just hold. absolutely Alisha now you're answering yes Upendra continue
Yes, sir. R we'll have to find the value of R cross F by so first we'll go for the determinant method because here it's not specified whether we need to find out in vector form or
okay
so we can simply find out it by determinant method, which
1 minus 1 6 2 3 minus 1 since what he's saying it is that moment of force is short I need to find out magnitude of this यानी within the modulus sign students ये मुझे पूछा गया magnitude पूछा गया है. So first we'll go for the cross product of and what's the answer for the cross product you got it as
so we got it as minus 17 I cap plus
hmm
11 j cap plus 5 k cap.
11 j cap plus 5 k cap. Now see students we'll solve this part okay When you find out torque in terms of cross product, again the rule, the same rule, please, again I'm explaining. If I take I cap, block the terms of I, move from left to right, top to bottom, we consider. So left to right, this will be -1 into -1 will be 1, minus 18. Then minus j, block the terms of j, 1 into -1, -1, minus 6 twos are 12. Then plus k cap, block the terms of k, 3 ones are 3, minus 2 into -1, -2, so minus into minus plus 2. Now solving it, 1 minus 18, see now students, minus 17, I already said it. This is, how come we're taking this as -1 and 6 twos are 12, -12. How can you get it plus 11j?
Sir,
1 -1, 6, 2, 3, -1. Did I write the question proper? Y plus 3j minus k. 6 minus j. So 1 into -1.
so it's
So it is in clockwise direction, no? I into k 1
Sorry, I into also this is -1 only.
Correct, sir.
I'm talking about
This is correct.
I into k 1 into -1, and it is in and clockwise direction, so it will become positive.
But if you do minus j outside, now if I take plus j, then this becomes positive.
sir, if you take plus j, then you'll have to swap the determinants. I mean,
But then, bolo. Tell me, is this correct or incorrect?
So this is correct because minus j into -11 is plus 11k. Plus 11j cap. Yeah.
So should I go for -1, -1, and this is 6 twos are 12? Will this be negative or will this be positive?
So this will not be minus, it will be minus 13k.
Sir, positive 12.
It will be
Why
plus
positive
14k, sir.
12? Why positive 12? Yes, Ashmita.
So it will be negative only. So it won't be plus 11j, it will be plus 13j. -1 minus 12 will be minus 13. So it will be minus 17 I cap plus 13 J cap plus 5 K cap. That will be the answer.
कहाँ से 14 आएगी तो -13 आ रहा है ना.
हाँ, minus 13 आएगा. Minus 13 into minus J cap is plus J cap ना.
So plus 13j will come.
Yeah, plus 13 J cap. That's what I'm saying.
That's what my question to you all is. Nishant, you solved this particular question. Bolo.
Sir, what I got it was it will be minus 17 I cap plus 13 J cap plus 5 K cap.
You should get that, students. The reason is, please, Ashmita, Upendra, if in case, see one thing, I made it very, very clear. Agar if you're trying to go for minus j, then students, you have to be abiding with the rule. And the rule says, if I am going for minus j, 1 into -1 will -1, this has to be negative. 6 agar maine isko plus kar diya, then in that case, it will change. It will swap and the answer will be positive over here. ये -1 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा and that will be +1 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. That will be changed now, but sorry, this -12 and plus we can say -1 will be coming. Just swapping of the terms will be there. So we are trying to maintain a pattern. If you recollect, I told you that try to maintain a pattern. And what is a pattern? Going from left to right, top to bottom. Going from left to right, top to bottom. Going from left to right, top to bottom. ये pattern को create करने के लिए I have to take this as -j. So when I take -j, then I have to go for 1 into -1 will -1. then there should be negative sign. 6 2s are minus 12. अगर मैंने ये प्लस किया होता तो सिर्फ ये स्वैप हो जाता, आंसर मेरा वही रहता in that case. Are you getting, students? So this is not the one.
Hmm.
So over here, this will be minus 17i, this will be plus 30j, and this is 5k cap. Is this clear to all of you all the students who are into the lectures?
Yes, sir.
यस मैं वो डिटर्मिनेंट के उधर +6 के
Yes, sir. Yes.
इसमें -6 ले लिया.
Yes. So that's why I said it. I said to Nishant when he posted the answer first, I deliberately gave this question to see how many people are able to. Nishant posted the answer and I said it, yes, that's correct. Then I told him to find out the magnitude. So please students, try to understand this thing once again. जब भी तुम determinants use करते हो, so what exactly? Take the terms of I, block it. Go from left to right. Okay, multiply, but the second term should be with negative. अभी देखो, -1 into -1 plus 1. Put a negative sign, students. This is important. 6 3s are 18. Then if I happen to go for minus j, block this. Pattern is what? Left to right. Top to bottom. 1 into -1, -1. Put a minus sign. 6 is a 12. Then over here for the last term, I'll consider plus k. To maintain that pattern, of course, I can use plus k over here. 1 3s are 3. And this is -2. If I consider minus of -2 will be +2. Students, ये जो लिखा है ना मैंने, ये minus of -2 आएगा, which is +2. Now this is what we got the torque, and this torque is in rectangular orthogonal vectors we consider. Can you find out the magnitude now?
Yes
you
sir,
can.
by using length of the longest rod.
Absolutely correct. So it will be under root what exactly consider?
Under root -17 square plus 13 square plus 5 square.
Very good. 17 square will be 289, 13 square is 159, 25, 5 square is 25. Addition of this within the root sign. And what exactly you'll get the value of root?
So under root it will be 483, which approximately gives us the value of 21.9.
Okay, now students, ये देखो 483 है, he's saying it 21.9. I same thing I asked to Nishant also to get the magnitude. So approximately that's what he'll consider. He also got the answer almost closer to it. Okay, students, जब भी तुम solve करोगे and when they ask you to find out the magnitude of the 483, the options will be given to you, and those options, students, will be far off. Now, all of you all knows that 483 will be, of course, between 20 and 30. Are you getting it? So they might give you 21 point something in decimals. 20. If I happen to go for 483, we consider is 22 square is 484. We consider I'm getting 484. So I'm very close to it. So I can give you 21.9. This is 21.2, 21.5. I'll consider 21.6. Now, suppose if the options are very close, then you have to find out a perfect root. But if the options are very far off, easily you can say, and the answer will be closest to the one closest to what we consider is 484. Because root of 484. So what is root of 484?
22.
Okay, root of 484 is 22 square is equal to how much? 484. 21 square is 441. And तुम्हारा answer 22 से just कम होना चाहिए. It should be very. So I can't go for 21.6. I can't go for 21.9. The best option selects over here is 21.9. क्या ये समझ में आया? इसलिए तुम्हें square root के लिए you don't have to worry about it. The options will be far off. हाँ, लेकिन अगर suppose मैंने सारे options दिए 21.92, 21.91, 21.89, then students you have to use your school level square root method. Are you getting it? You take two terms and you take it together. 48 and then you consider 3, put a 0 over here, then 2 more zeros. Are you getting, students? Is this clear?
So it's okay now. I mean 21.92, 21.99, 21.98 and 21.97. If these are the options given, then
Yes.
after 9 the highest number would be the answer, no? Because it is
Yes.
extremely close to the 22.
Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Can I erase the students?
Yes sir.
Okay. Already two students are raising hands for the next question also. Excellent. The question is given to you as two vectors A and B are given to you. Find the value of P. Since I'm giving you two vectors, vector A is given to you as 2i plus 2j plus 2i plus 2j plus P K capsules. And B is given to you as I plus j plus K. I plus j plus K students. Okay. Find the value of P. I want to find out the value of P students. If the two vectors are perpendicular, case one, where vector A is perpendicular to vector B, and in case two, the two vectors are parallel. Find the value of P when the two vectors are perpendicular, when the two vectors are parallel. How many of you all? Again, the same three, Nishant, Tupendra, and Smith. What about the rest of them? Vector is given to you, vector B is given to you, find out P. Both of them are
Sir, I'm
perpendicular.
doing it right now.
Doing it right now, Aryan. I want someone new. I want someone new to pour into it, please. Because it seems that these three students are dominating the class. Come on, girls, what are you doing? Shri, Alicia, Asmita. Yes, Pat, you answer. You raise your hand.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Bolo.
first you have to find the two vectors are perpendicular. So A and B will be perpendicular if A is equal to B is equal to 0.
Is equal to B equal to 0. When they're perpendicular, I want to find out P. So how do you go about it?
So we'll take X and Y and Z instead of I cap, J cap, and K cap.
No, Pat, tell me A perpendicular to B, that means how do you consider it 0? Reason kya?
Sir, because because when the two vectors are perpendicular, their dot product is equal to 0.
Did I ask you, Soham, what are you doing?
Sorry.
Sorry, मेरे को मत बोल, Parth को बोल. Parth is answering, my dear. He knows.
Sorry, Path.
It's a
ऐसे मत करो ना. He's answering, my dear. कभी भी ऐसे नहीं करते. ये अच्छी बात नहीं होती है. These are not good manners. Let him answer. And when he wants to, he'll ask you. अगर मैं पार्थ की जगह पे होता तो मैं तो बोलता, अगर कि दूसरा कोई प्रॉब्लम होता पार्थ को, तो मैं बोलता अभी कमान आंसर, यू आंसर. ऐसे नहीं करते. ओके. एंड पार्थ इज सो नाइस इनफ इन दैट केस, ही इज डिसेंट इनफ, ही इज नॉट स्पीकिंग एनीथिंग. ओके. पार्थ मुझे बताओ, ए परपेंडिकुलर टू बी तुम्हें लेना है, तो तुमने 0 क्यों बोला? व्हाट्स द रीजन फॉर इट?
So because of dot product, like you said.
करेक्ट. स्टूडेंट्स देखो, ए परपेंडिकुलर टू बी अगर दिया हुआ है, पी पूछा है, तो हाउ डू यू गेट एन आंसर इन दिस केस? If I happen to go for dot product of A dot B, the answer will be A B cos theta, and theta is what angle between A and B, that is 90 degree, because they are mutually perpendicular. Theta is 90. And students, when I take 90 degrees, then only I'll get the answer as proper, because मुझे तभी P का वैल्यू मिलेगा. ये पूरा 0 हो गया स्टूडेंट्स. यानी एक इक्वेशन फॉर्म करने के लिए I want to get a dot product. I can take that. So now if I go for A dot B, students, I have 3 and 3. Out of 9, 6 terms will be 0. So now I'll go I dot I will be 1, that is 2. J dot J will be 1, that is again 2. This is P dot P, that is P, I'll consider. I dot I 1, J dot A 1, K dot K 1. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, P into 1 will be P. I want the value of P. What's the answer for P? -4. Hope this part is clear for the first one, when the two vectors are mutually perpendicular to each other. Now, if I happen to consider paths, if they are parallel to each other, so what will do?
If they are parallel.
So, will you go for the cross product or will you go for the dot products?
Cross product.
Absolutely correct. Students, हमें ऐसा select करना है so that right hand side of the equal to should be 0. ये क्या हो रहा है मालूम है स्टूडेंट्स? ये ऐसा टाइप का क्वेश्चन है जहां पे ध्यान से सुनना, तुम्हें दिया है x plus 13. Are you getting it? Is equal to 5x minus 4. ऐसा कुछ तुम्हें दिया हुआ है. तो तुम क्या करते हो? सारे टर्म्स को एक तरफ लेके फिर तुम इक्वल टू न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू उस तरफ लेते हो तो गेट द आंसर. यानी तुम करते क्या हो? ध्यान से सुनना, 5x minus x minus 4 minus 13 equal to 0 करते हो, फिर नंबर्स को इस तरफ ले लेते हो या नंबर्स को उस तरफ लेते हो. एग्जैक्टली वो पैटर्न यहाँ पे भी फॉलो करना है. किसी भी हाल में तुम्हें एक साइड 0 आना चाहिए टू गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर टर्म. तो 0 कभी आएगा? अगर परपेंडिकुलर होगा तो cos of 90 भी 0 आता है स्टूडेंट्स, तो मुझे डॉट प्रोडक्ट जाना पड़ेगा. पैरेलल हुआ तो cos में नहीं जा सकते क्योंकि थीटा 0 होगा स्टूडेंट्स पैरेलल में, तो cos of 0 का आंसर तो 1 आएगा. हमें 0 नहीं मिलेगा इक्वलिटी के बाद में. आई वांट टू गेट इट इक्वल टू 0, सो व्हाट शुड आई गो फॉर? अरे सर, साइन ऑफ 0 आएगा, तो शुड आई गो फॉर डॉट प्रोडक्ट और शुड आई गो फॉर क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट? नाउ आई गो फॉर क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट. A B sin 0, so A cross B, I'll get it equal to 0, and that will be magnitude of A plus B. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ स्टूडेंट्स?
Yes, sir.
Agreed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now if I happen to solve it, the cross product, what are I getting it, students? So we go for A cross B, that is equal to A B sin 0. Students, let us go for A cross B. A is what? I, J, K. That will be 2, 2, and P. This will be 1, 1, and 1. So I will get A cross B. Now again, students, listen carefully. The rule, determinants. When you get I, block the terms of I. Bracket में left to right, top to bottom. 2 ones are 2. Put a negative sign. Put a negative sign. P into 1 will be P. Second term के लिए always go for negative. You want to move from left to right, एक pattern create करने के लिए. So now you block this, move from left to right, 2 into 1, 2. Minus P into 1, P. Hope this part is clear. Last term plus K cap. Bracket close. 2 ones are 2 minus 2. This becomes 0. So now what exactly? Here it will be 2 minus P I cap minus 2 minus P J cap and the magnitude of this I'm getting it equal to 0. तुम अगर लेते हो a b sin 0 तो मुझे 0 मिल गया. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ स्टूडेंट्स सबको? Students, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now I need to get the value of p.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Parth. Yes, Parth. Now can you continue from here onwards? How do you get the value of p?
Yes, sir.
So how are you getting the value of p?
Sir, I have network issue. 1 minute.
Pardon?
Sir, I have network issue. Just
Okay.
a second.
Okay, fine, doesn't matter. Yes, anybody else? Anybody else?
Yes, sir.
Your answer?
So may I?
Your answer?
Sir, for the vector A cross vector B equal to 0, so each component should be 0. So that's where 0 is equal to 2 minus P, so that it becomes 0 is equal to P minus 2. Both conditions are similar, so thus P is equal to 2.
स्टूडेंट्स ये क्या कंडीशन आ रहा है मालूम है? ये क्या कंडीशन आ रहा है स्टूडेंट्स? ये एक तरह का तुम्हारा क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. सपोज अगर मैंने कोई क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन सॉल्व किया, इसको भूल जाओ स्टूडेंट्स, फॉरगेट अबाउट दिस. सपोज अगर मैंने ऐसा दिया तो मैं x minus 3 into bracket x minus 3 is equal to 0. I getting it? तो क्या करोगे तुम? x minus 3 equal to 0 और x minus 3 equal to 0 फैक्टर्स निकाल दो ना. थोड़ा एक्चुअली x की वैल्यू 3 आया, अगर ये प्लस हुई तो माइनस 3 आएगा. Look at this condition, look exactly identical. यानी अगर तुम्हारा a cross b equal to 0 है तो उसकी जो यूनिट वेक्टर्स है along x axis and along y axis, then individually they are considered to be equal to 0. That means यहाँ के बाद में मैं लिख सकता हूँ therefore the unit vector along x axis, that is the magnitude of unit vector 2 minus p can be written as equal to 0. यहाँ पे भी क्या होगा? 2 minus p, यहाँ पे भी 0 आ रहा है. So what's the value of p in both the cases? The value of p in both the cases will be 2. Is this clear to all of you all students? All the students who are into the group, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Don't reply. Not only those students who have done it.
Yes, sir.
So now you have two values of p. In the first case, I'm getting the answer as -4. Second case, I'm getting the value of p equal to 2. देखिए students, how to think. सोचना कैसे है? अगर मुझे चाहिए परपेंडिकुलर है तो क्या मैं कॉस में जाऊंगा या साइन में जाऊंगा? स्टूडेंट्स हमेशा ही ध्यान में आना कि जब भी एंगल्स फाइंड आउट करते हैं तो यू गो फॉर कॉस कंपोनेंट. दूसरी बात, अगर किसी चीज की वैल्यू निकालना होता है इन अ गिवन एक्सप्रेशन, ट्राई टू लुक एट इट विद अ परपेंडिकुलर. परपेंडिकुलर होगा तो cos of 90, पैरेलल होगा तो sin of 0. यानी पैरेलल होगा तो क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट, परपेंडिकुलर होगा तो डॉट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द कंसीडर. कैन आई इरेज दिस पार्ट?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so let's go for now in chapter questions. Please pay attention now. So in the first one, this is from page number 16, students. Okay, find a unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. Unit vector perpendicular to both vector A and vector B. Students. I'm getting it. Vector A is given to us 2i plus j, and vector B is given to you as I plus 2j. Anybody? Again, Smith, Upendra, and Nishant has raised hand. Find out the unit vector perpendicular to A and B. A is given to us 2i plus j, B is given to us I plus 2j. Now, please, this many students should raise hands for this because exactly identical we have done the question. You should not struggle for this now. How many of you all know how to go about this? 3 students already raised hand. What about the rest of them? Parth has raised hand. Fourth one. Anybody else? Nishant has posted his answer. Now Soham answer. Soham now answer for this question. Alicia has posted it. Yes, Alicia, what do you want to do? Can you unmute yourself, Alicia?
Yes, sir.
Can you give an answer for this? The first one in chapter. A unit vector is perpendicular to A. Unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. Vector and vector B is given to you. So what you should go for? Alicia, I repeat the question. A unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. Unit vector perpendicular to both A and B, either over here or it can be in this manner, positive or negative. So Alicia, what should I do with A and B? Should I go for the dot product? Alicia? क्यों नहीं समझते तुम लोग? ये वेक्टर ए दिया है, ये वेक्टर बी दिया है, इनके बीच में एंगल थीटा दिया है. अगर मैं ए क्रॉस बी जाता हूँ एंटी क्लॉकवाइज में तो मेरा रिजल्टेंट सी इस तरफ आएगा और ये सी का आंसर होगा ए क्रॉस बी. लेकिन अगर मैं इस तरफ जाता हूँ तो मेरा ये रिजल्ट नहीं आएगा, ये माइनस सी हो जाएगा. तो क्या करना क्या है? Should you go for dot product or you should go for cross product?
Vector.
Alicia?
The cross product.
Yes, and Parth has put it a statement. And whenever we go for cross product, students, resultant हमेशा perpendicular ही होगा. Result ये A है vector, sorry, ये if in case this is A vector, this is B vector, result will be always perpendicular. It can be either positive or it can be negative. हमेशा perpendicular. तो ये तुम्हें ध्यान में होना चाहिए कि तुम्हारा जो यूनिट वेक्टर होगा वो इस डायरेक्शन में होगा, या तो प्लस ही होगा या तो माइनस ही होगा. तो तुम्हें करना क्या है? क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट. That is magnitude of cross product 5 and 5. What exactly will be AB sin theta? So simply first I'll go for A cross B. Find out in this case. यहाँ पे I, J, K. Alicia, solve and get me the answer. Come on for this. Please students, rest of you will also solve it right now. I'm waiting for 2 minutes.
So done.
Who's done it? Smith, you had already done. So Smith,
Yes.
just wanting some other student to answer for it. Upendra, Smith, and Nishan. Other than these three, Partha is also posting his answer. So it's the fourth one. I want somebody else to give an answer. Otherwise, I feel like that I'm just teaching this 4 or 5 students. That's all. Yes, Nishant says zeros. Yes, Smith, what do you want to come and answer, Smith? Bolo.
So my answer is coming 14i minus 38j plus 16k.
Absolutely correct. मुझे ये बताओ निशांत ये जीरो क्या पोस्ट कर रहा है तो why you putting zero I am not able to get it you're posting zero for
So
what
we take 0 as k value, right? Because it's not given. So if you take 2i plus j, then if you multiply, if you have to take I value, you have to multiply j and k. So you'll get 0 in the end. Then for j value, you'll get 0. And for k value, you have to multiply 2 into, wait, 2 into what? 2 into 2, which is 4, minus minus 1. So you'll get 3k.
okay students did you all get it what did he say
Yes, sir.
you see over here students he's just trying to put the magnitude of it the unit vector along x-axis now suppose if I go for vector a ये 2i plus j लेके आए तो I का 2 होगा j का 1 होगा k का 0 हो जाएगा because there is no k term given over so 0 k doesn't matter ये I j यहाँ पे भी 0 के आ गए now if I have to go for b this is 1 this is 2 and this is 0 now when I go for a cross b again the rule students please pay attention I into bracket ये तो 0 होगा ये भी minus 0 हो जाएगा minus j ये put these terms students ये अगर तुम डालोगे तो ये 0 हो जाएगा minus ये भी 0 हो जाएगा बचेगा कौन सा term k का ही बचेगा ना students so now if I have to go for plus k bracket close 2 2s are 4 minus 1 so what's my answer of a cross b students 3k agreed but what I need to find out unit vector what exactly formula students unit vector is the ratio of vector to its magnitude क्या ये clear हुआ students students is it clear
Yes, sir, it is clear.
now suppose if I happen to go for what exactly the vector I'm getting it it's 3k ध्यान से सुनना magnitude क्या है इसका 3 ये magnitude पार आ जाएगा ना 3 now when you speak about did they say it's anti-clockwise or clockwise no so what is my answer in positive view negative view तो मेरा आंसर प्लस और माइनस में हो सकता है प्लस और माइनस में होगा 3 and 3 will get cancelled so what's the value of u it can be plus k cap or it can be minus k cap क्या ये क्लियर हुआ सबको प्लीज स्टूडेंट्स a क्रॉस b का मैग्नीट्यूड कैसे निकालते हैं यहाँ पे तुम्हारे बाकी सारे टर्म 0 आ गए स्टूडेंट्स 0i 0j length of the longest rod under root 3 square plus 0 square plus 0 square under root 3 square yani 9 आया and root of 9 is 3 that's why I wrote it 3 directly students please do start responding start replying नहीं तो गाड़ी छूट जाएगी I'm speaking to the rest of the students I feel like that out of the strength of 44 or 45 hardly 5 or 6 students I feel like that are trying to pick up the concept the rest of them are just sitting over there not even uttering a single word I don't know what exactly the parents are doing it into the sessions they should monitor the kids tell the kids to remove the headphones let the sound of the teacher be completely in that particular room loud and clear then the parents when they're walking here and there they'll understand you know he's speaking it out so many times to the students but the students are not replying many of them might be in the headphones itself only and the reason is साउंड का डिस्टरबेंस आ रहा है, साउंड अच्छी तरह से नहीं सुनाई देता है सर का, इसलिए हमने हेडफोन डाल दिया है। Students, if you don't respond, if you don't reply, take it from me, you'll be into a great mess later on. Don't do like that, and especially for physics. नहीं समझ में आता तो बिंदास पूछो ना, सर कैन यू एक्सप्लेन मी अगेन, आई एम देयर टू एक्सप्लेन यू अगेन, वापस तो बता, प्रॉब्लम नहीं।
1 second, sir. I'm writing the last part. 1 second.
But if you don't answer, it doesn't make any sense. Doesn't matter, Smith, it's fine.
1 second, sir. I'm writing it. 1 second.
Okay, Soham, you are the only one, because of you only I'm teaching.
अरे सर क्या मस्का मार रहे हो आप, प्लीज।
मैं मस्का नहीं मार रहा हूँ, तुम्हें मस्का मार के मुझे क्या मिलने वाला है? I can't get anything. How? Why should I do maska to you? I don't want to be in the yogurt books, my dear. Maska का मतलब क्या होता है? It's not like that. Yes, so
Yes, sir. Just 1 second.
ऐसे मत बोल मस्का मारो. I feel it so bad. It hurts me, my dear. नहीं करते. I want all my students should answer. They should get full marks in vectors whenever the test comes forward. ये तो बोल रहा हूँ मस्का मार. Shall I erase so now?
1 second. Yes, sir. You can erase.
Yes, sir.
Next one. If you look over here, the torque is given to you. Now this you should solve it, students. Find out the torque in vector form itself only. So I need to find out torque. Okay. R and F both are given to you. Momentum and this is given to you. It's 7I plus 3J plus K cap in meter. Okay. And force is minus 3I plus J plus 5K in Newton. I want to find out moment of force. The torque or the moment of force in this case is. Now, ध्यान से सुनना students. I want all of you and those who have done it resolve it. क्यों? ध्यान से सुनना students. मुझे चाहिए torque. Torque का मतलब क्या है? Please everybody listen carefully. क्योंकि मैंने बोला ना ये सारे जितने भी vector products होंगे सारे circular motion rotational के लिए आएंगे. इसको समझना तो वापस मैं बता दूं students, ये axis है. Consider एक rod है. ये तुम्हारा point of rotation है. ये तुम्हारा force यहाँ पे act हो रहा है. तुम्हें force मालूम है. ये तुम्हारा momentum है. अभी ध्यान से देखना, ये तुम्हारा एक्सियल रोटेशन है, यानी टॉर्क यहाँ पे आएगा. लेकिन अगर एंटी क्लॉकवाइज में अगर रॉड जाता है तो टॉर्क इस तरफ आएगा. एवरीबॉडी प्लीज, अगर रॉड ऐसे घूम रहा है एंटी क्लॉकवाइज में, टॉर्क का पोजीशन बाय राइट हैंड स्क्रू ऊपर जाएगा प्लस टॉर्क. लेकिन अगर ये क्लॉकवाइज में चला गया तो ये माइनस. नाउ व्हाट आई वांट, यू नो, आई वांट students try to solve for both. Go for your formula for torque. In the first case, R cross F. And in the second case, F cross R. Check out what answer you're getting it for this. Solve by determinants IJK. IJK. Yes, all of you are getting it. Nishant, Upendra, Smith.
Sir, I'm doing it right
Yes,
now.
sir.
1 second.
Yes.
Yes,
Try to.
sir.
और
Sir, I'm
जिसने
doing
एक
it right
पैटर्न
now.
में किया है ना,
1 minute.
फ्रेंड्स एक पैटर्न में जिसने किया है ना, अगर सपोज तुम लोग ने ऑलरेडी सॉल्व कर चुके हो और तुमने सपोज आर क्रॉस लिया तो एफ क्रॉस आर में देख के देखो क्या आंसर आ रहा है. आई गेटिंग इट. 7 3 1 -3 1 5. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? If I have to go for f, so that is -3 1 5 and this is 7 3 1. Try to find out the answer in each case. Come on, solve everyone.
सर आपको वो वाला आंसर पहले भेज दिया था. नाउ आई एम गोइंग फॉर द सेकंड वन.
Yes, absolutely. That's what I told you. Go for the second part.
So both the answers are same.
Same, but is
Yes,
the sign
sir.
same? Is the sign same?
No, sir. Signs
Yes,
are
sir.
different. So in both the answers showing opposite.
Who said it? That the answers are same. Alisha, you were the one who said it.
So me, Ashmita.
Ashmita, very sorry. So answers are same or the signs are opposite?
So answers are same, but the signs are opposite.
So the magnitude of in both the cases is same, but directions are bit.
That's what I want to know. What have you understood in circular part of it? ये जो concept आ रहा है, ये क्या आ रहा है? अभी यहाँ पे
Yes, sir. Sir, can I say?
wait a minute. Ashmita को पूछ. Again, you're such an intelligent boy and you do like that. अब फिर बोलेगा मुझे कि सर मस्का मत मारो ना. Such an intelligent boy and do such kind of things. Intelligent students ऐसे नहीं करते. Ashmita, come on, answer. Give me the answer for this.
Yes, sir.
I cap, bracket close. 5 pizza. Tell me the answers. Come on, pass.
15 minus 1
Okay. Minus j cap.
minus j cap. 35 minus, no, plus 3.
Yes.
Plus k cap. 7 plus 9.
Okay. So what's your answer now?
49 minus 38j plus 16k.
Okay. Give me the answer for this.
1
1 into
minus 15.
1 into 1 is 1. Minus 15.
1 minus 15 minus j cap minus 3 minus 35 plus k cap minus 9 minus 7.
Very good. तभी देखो ना. अश्विता सामने तुम्हें बता देना. देखो 1 minus 15 कितना आ रहा है? Minus 14 आया. This is कितना होगा? Minus 38 लिख लीजिए. Plus 38 आ जाएगा. ये कितना होगा? Minus 16 यानी this is minus 16 k cap. So Ashmita, now do you see these two? Are the lines same or opposite of each? They are opposite.
Opposite.
यानी अगर मैं इसको c बार लिखता हूँ स्टूडेंट तो ये क्या होगा? माइनस c बार है ना. ये तो क्या वही तो मैंने लिखा ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन यानी ये तुम्हारा प्लस टाउ होगा तो ये माइनस टाउ हो गया. ये मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ कि अगर तुम एंटी क्लॉकवाइज मोशन में एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में ये एंटी क्लॉकवाइज मोशन हो रहा है यहाँ पे तुम्हारा टॉर्क पॉजिटिव होगा. क्लॉकवाइज मोशन में तुम्हारा टॉर्क नेगेटिव होगा. टॉर्क नीचे की तरफ जाएगा ये ऊपर की तरफ. Therefore, resultant students जब भी क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट में होगा अभी भी मैं बता रहा हूँ resultant in cross product is always perpendicular to the two given vectors, but direction of resultant can be found out by using right hand screw rule. Anti-clockwise, my direction is along the rotating axis. सुन के रखना, when the body is rotating or revolving, my resultant is always along the rotational axis. My thumb, yes, but it can be positive for anti-clockwise. It can be negative for clockwise. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, if I say magnitude, Asmita, magnitude क्या होगा? Will the magnitude be same or different?
So magnitude will be same because
Will it be
the
correct?
square of the
mag-
negative number is positive.
Yes.
So for the second case, we can simply carry out the non-commutative law, no? Multiplying minus throughout.
Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. This was just to prove to you all, my dear, कि how the motion can be considered. यानी तुम आगे जाके कंफ्यूजन में नहीं आओ कि अगर मैंने R क्रॉस F लिखा, F क्रॉस R लिखा तो मेरा आंसर देखो, क्योंकि स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं मालूम है, फॉर्मूला मेमोराइज कर देते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे भी है रट्टा मारने वाले जो R क्रॉस F लिखे टॉर्क को, लेकिन उतना भी तो सोचो. F अगर सपोज मैंने मोशन क्लॉकवाइज दे दिया, चलो, और ऑप्शंस में तुम्हारा ये आंसर आ ही नहीं रहा है, तुम्हारा आंसर तो ये आ रहा है, और जानबूझ के उन्होंने ये भी दिया है. स्टूडेंट्स ध्यान से सुनना, मैं एमसीक्यू ये देता हूँ, एवरीबॉडी लिसन केयरफुली. आई गिव यू एन क्वेश्चन इन दिस केस, लेकिन मैंने यहाँ पे डाल दिया मोशन क्लॉकवाइज. तो मुझे बताओ स्टूडेंट्स, इज ए इज योर आंसर या बी इज योर आंसर? भाई बताओ. मोशन इज क्लॉकवाइज.
So sir, B will be the
B
answer.
will answer.
बी विल बी द आंसर. और उस टाइम पे ए भी ऑप्शन देंगे. लेकिन देखो, I'm telling you very clearly, out of now, see, there were 45 students, now the strength is reached to 41. 5 students have called off. We are ending towards the lectures. ये है, parents are least bothered about it. But now when such things comes in the examinations and when they don't score, the blame game starts. Online की वजह से physics tough लगता है, समझ में नहीं आता है, बोर्ड पे क्या लिखा है, बोल क्या रहा है, कितना recorded lectures बच्चा देखे. All these things comes out later on then. लेकिन मैं ये बताना चाहता हूँ स्टूडेंट्स, अगर क्लॉकवाइज होगा तो ऑफ कोर्स माय आंसर विल बी नेगेटिव. तो मैं ये जानबूझ के देंगे. And out of 40 students right now, take it from these students, there will be 30 students still will solve in this manner, get an answer, वो option ही mark करके आ जाएंगे घर पे, और बोलेंगे हमारा आंसर सही है. Because they don't think in this manner also, which I told you in the explanation also. Over years, students, your studies varies. जेई और नीट का जो स्टडीज का डिफरेंस है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू योर ऑर्डिनरी महाराष्ट्र सीटी का स्टडीज के अंदर, ये वेरिएशन होता है. तो वो वेरिएशन को डिटेक्ट करना शुरू करो स्टूडेंट्स. कहां तक जाना और किस लेवल तक तुम्हें आगे लेके जाना है, दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट, नॉट जस्ट ब्लाइंडली गो अहेड विद इट. सो इज इट क्लियर?
So for sir, sir, I just have one question, sir.
तो तुम मेरे को रुला के रहेगा. हाँ बोल बोल.
So in a sum like this, we always have to do clockwise, right? In a sum like this. Okay, so मतलब option number 2.
यस, ऑप्शन नंबर 2 ने ऑप्शन बी.
Option B, yeah.
मैंने क्लॉकवाइज दिया तो,
अगर आपने clockwise दिया तो. Okay.
और मैंने कुछ नहीं दिया ना, अगर सपोज मैंने प्रॉब्लम में कुछ नहीं दिया, कुछ नहीं दिया, तो दोनों ऑप्शंस करेक्ट है. यानी ये क्वेश्चन क्या होगा मालूम है, जेई का क्वेश्चन मोर देन वन ऑप्शन. समझ में आ रहा है? निशान, स्मिथ, पार्थ, उपेंद्र.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
ओके, यानी मोर देन वन ऑप्शन भी आते हैं, क्योंकि मैंने कंक्लूड ही नहीं किया वहां पे. जैसे तुम कल बताया ना, यूनिट वेक्टर कैन बी अलोंग प्लस और माइनस, तो दोनों आंसर करेक्ट है, मोर देन वन ऑप्शन भी आ गया.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I erase it now?
Yes, sir, you can erase it.
सर वो JEE एडवांस में आता है ना, मोर देन वन ऑप्शन करेक्ट.
Even in case of it, we can, yeah, you get it over there, it's more than one option. लेकिन यहाँ पे तुम्हारा जेई के अंदर भी हो सकता है करके, they can put forward over there also.
Okay
ये
sir.
जो पेपर पैटर्न है स्टूडेंट्स, पेपर पैटर्न है ना, इट नॉर्मली चेंजेस, थोड़ा सा पैटर्न चेंज होता रहता है. इवन तुम एडवांस का पेपर्स देखोगे तो एडवांस के पेपर्स का क्या है, देयर इज नो डेफिनेट मार्क्स. डेफिनेट मार्क्स है ही नहीं वहाँ पे. कभी कभी 396 का पेपर होता है, कभी 386 का पेपर होता है, कभी 392 का पेपर होता है. इट्स लाइक दैट. एकदम ऑड ही हो जाता है। बिट्स पिलाने के फर्स्ट राउंड के रिजल्ट्स आ गए। बिट्स पिलानी 370 से ऊपर क्रॉस करते हो, ध्यान से सुनो स्टूडेंट्स, 370 या 375 से ऊपर क्रॉस करते हो, वी कंसीडर देन यू आर सिलेक्टेड फॉर कंप्यूटर साइंस इन बिट्स पिलानी। उसका फर्स्ट लिस्ट के हिसाब से उन्होंने प्रेडिक्ट करके भेजा गया है। एंड द टोटल वेटेज ऑफ द पेपर इज 400 स्टूडेंट्स, 400 मार्क का पेपर होता है बिट्स पिलानी का, बिट्स एग्जाम्स, बिट्स। So you should understand, अगर तुम्हें if you have to go for computer science, or if you have to go for electronics, electrical and electronics, you consider, or in terms of only electrical or only electronical, or if you can go for mechanical in this case, you need to score above anyhow above 325. That should be your target. क्योंकि इसमें क्या होता है, मतलब स्टूडेंट्स ये जो बिट्स के एग्जाम्स होते हैं वहाँ पे सारे अच्छे स्टूडेंट्स देते हुए एग्जाम्स, एडमिशन प्रोसेसेस के अंदर जब भी उनको एडवांस में सीट मिल जाती है तो यहाँ से कॉल ऑफ कर देते हैं, तो दूसरा स्लॉट का ऊपर आ जाता है फिर, इट्स लाइक दैट। सो ऑल दिस थिंग्स, इट्स अ गेम प्लान, यू हैव टू डू वेल, यू हैव टू डू स्टडीज प्रॉपर्ली। ओके, लेट्स मूव फर्दर स्टूडेंट्स। Students, if I happen to give you now the next question, students, the magnitude of vector product of two vectors, answer सुना, magnitude of vector product, magnitude of vector product of two vectors is √3 times the scalar product. देखो दूसरे पार्ट के लिए दिया नहीं था, हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, लेकिन उसको वो मैग्नीट्यूड में ही है। आई रिपीट, क्वेश्चन दिया है मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ द वेक्टर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू वेक्टर्स, आई गेटिंग इट, इज इक्वल टू √3 टाइम्स देयर स्केलर प्रोडक्ट, यानी वो भी मैग्नीट्यूड में ही है। पूछा गया है व्हाट इज द एंगल बिटवीन द टू वेक्टर्स, थीटा। कैन यू सॉल्व स्टूडेंट्स? What is the angle between the two vectors?
So
Again,
may I?
yes. Wait a minute. Okay, Upendra. Yes, Upendra.
1 second, sir.
So the angle between the vectors, so it is given to us that cross product of vector a and b, the magnitude of cross product of vector a and b is √3 times the scalar magnitude of scalar product of a and b, vector a and vector b.
Absolutely correct.
So if we just expand it, we will get ab sine theta is equal to √3 times ab cos theta.
Absolutely correct. Maybe we will get.
Yes. Now we'll have to square on both sides.
Sin theta upon cos theta is equal to √3 theta, na? Divided by cos theta. What exactly that? Tan theta. Agreed, Upendra?
Yes, I squared on both the sides, then I used the identity of sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1.
Fine. कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन आंसर मिला ना, 60 डिग्रीज मिला तुम्हें?
हाँ सर, √3/2 आया sin theta.
Okay, fine.
So you can write on radian also, no? Pi
Yes.
upon 3.
Nishan, did you do it in this way or what you did?
And then tan theta is equal to
Yes,
√3.
absolutely. Because he posted the answer in that case, tan theta, of course. So see, these people, Upendra, Smith, and these people answer, and what is happening to the rest of? अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह पे होता ना स्टूडेंट्स, अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह पे होता ना, अगर ये क्लास में होता ना, तो मैं क्या करता, मतलब मैं तीनों के ऊपर सेरोटेप लगा देता, बोलने ही नहीं देता मैं। Who are they? Why they only can answer? Why not me? I would have had a tough fight with these people. I would have been the best of the friends. Like when it comes to studies, when it comes to examinations, when it comes to giving answers in the lectures, yes, you have to be a true fighter. That's how your game should be. In the examinations also, you should be really fighting it very hard in that case. But when the lectures gets over, exam gets over, yes, you should be the best of the friends who can have a helping hand in this case. और ये ध्यान से ये studies ऐसी है, it's a more brain game. 2 or 3 brains together can settle things much more better rather than single fatigue brain. ये pattern, ये studies pattern ही different है. So now what exactly tan theta is √3? So what exactly theta, students? Theta is equal to tan inverse of √3. What is tan inverse of root 3? So 60 degrees. 60 degrees times log of pi by 3 radians. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
So, Ham, is it clear with you?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Very good. Good boy. Next question, students. The linear velocity, the answer suna students now. The linear velocity of a rotating body. Think as if the earth is rotating about its own axis. देखो students, ये समझने के लिए मैं diagram के हिसाब से जा रहा हूँ. ये कुछ दिया नहीं है problem में. But to make you understand, I'm trying to put forward these things. Consider this is north, this is west, and the earth is rotating about its own axis, students. Okay. Now, when the earth is rotating, what about the constituent particles? ये center है. अगर अर्थ रोटेट करता है तो कोई भी जो प्लेस होगा अर्थ के ऊपर वो क्या परफॉर्म कर रहा है? सर वो तो सर्कुलर मोशन परफॉर्म कर रहा है. एक सिंपल एग्जांपल, तुम अगर एक स्पिनिंग टॉप लेते हो, देखा स्पिनिंग टॉप देखा तुम स्टूडेंट्स? भौरा,
वो रोप लेके बांध के खींचते हैं वो.
हाँ कभी खेला है? और उसको तुम स्पिन करके भेजोगे तो क्या होगा? भौरा रोटेट करेगा. ये इसका एक्सिस ऑफ रोटेशन. अगर उस भौरे के ऊपर, ध्यान से सुनना, एक उस भवरे के ऊपर तुमने तुम्हारी मम्मा की जो बिंदी है वो लाके चिपका दी यहाँ पे. चलो तो मुझे ये बताओ what kind of motion this bindi is having it? चलो
Circular.
सर्कुलर. This is what you have to understand कि यहाँ पे भी अर्थ अगर रोटेट करती है तो सर्कुलर मोशन हो रहा है. अर्थ रोटेट कर रहा है लेकिन ये सर्कुलर मोशन कर रहा है. एंटी क्लॉकवाइज होगा तो उसका रोटेशनल एक्सिस के ऊपर उसका रिजल्टेंट परपेंडिकुलर चला जाएगा पॉजिटिव. अगर ये क्लॉकवाइज होगा तो ये नेगेटिव की तरफ चला गया. तो ये जो पार्टिकल है, ये जो है वो क्या फॉर्म कर से ये कर रहा है? टैंजेंशियल वेलोसिटी. ये है टैंजेंशियल वेलोसिटी दिया है, ये है पोजीशन वेक्टर दिया है. देखो अगर बिंदी यहाँ पे है तो उसका पोजीशन यहाँ से बताओगे. हाउ इज वी एंड आर स्टूडेंट्स? वी एंड आर ऑल द टाइम आर म्यूचुअली परपेंडिकुलर स्टूडेंट्स. लीनियर वेलोसिटी और टैंजेंशियल वेलोसिटी एंड द पोजीशन वेक्टर हमेशा परपेंडिकुलर है. तो स्टूडेंट्स उनका डॉट प्रोडक्ट हमेशा 0 होगा. ये भी ध्यान में रखना. क्वेश्चन कैसे पूछेंगे? ध्यान से सुनना. They'll ask you a question in this manner. For an earth, everybody listen carefully. For an earth rotating about its own axis, the dot product of tangential velocity and position vector is option A 0 radians, option B pi radians, option C pi by 2 radians, option D none of these. तो तुम्हारा आंसर क्या आना चाहिए? 0, the dot product. क्यों? क्योंकि म्यूचुअली परपेंडिकुलर. म्यूचुअल परपेंडिकुलर तो थीटा विल बी 90. cos ऑफ 90 क्या बन जाएगा? 0. तो उनका डॉट प्रोडक्ट का आंसर क्या आएगा? हमेशा 0 आएगा. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ सबको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now in case if I happen to go for the problem, what exactly the problem speaks about? The question speaks about the linear velocity is given to you and this linear velocity has a relation with respect to your angular velocity dot r. ये फॉर्मूला दिया है. linear velocity is angular velocity cross r. It's a cross product they've given to you, omega cross r. ये तुम्हें फॉर्मूला दिया हुआ है. पूछा क्या गया है? Find out the magnitude of linear velocity. Omega is given to you as how much? What is omega given to you? It's given to you as I minus 2j plus 2k. And this is in radian per second. What is r? Position vector. Position vector is given to you as 4j minus 3k students. And that is in meter. I need to find out the magnitude of linear velocity. And students, linear velocity is acting along axis. Position vector is along axis. ये जो omega है, that will be along the rotational axis क्योंकि angular term है. मुझे चाहिए magnitude of v. Can anybody solve it for the students?
Samir.
Yes, carry on.
So on solving omega into r, so we get minus 2 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 4 k cap.
Okay.
Thus
That
on
will be
finding
j k. Wait a minute. ये होगा 1 minus 2 Are you getting it? And plus 2. This will be 0, 4, and minus 3. Okay, so what do you got it?
So I got minus 2j.
Okay, let me solve. I को block करना please. This is for the last time I'm solving for the students, okay? इसके बाद वाले problems तुम लोग मैं फिर मैं directly answer लिखूंगा from the students. So to understand, please block the terms of I, crossing it. 3 2s are 6, minus into minus plus 6 हो जाएगा. Minus 4 2s are 8. Minus j. Block this. 1 into minus 3 will be minus 3. Minus 2 into 0 will be 0. Plus k. Block this. 1 into 4, 4. Minus 2 into 0 will be 0. So what do you got at Smith? Minus 2i
Plus 3j plus 4k.
plus 3j plus 4k. But did I tell you to find out vector v, or they tell you to find out magnitude of the linear velocity?
Magnitude, so finding magnitude under root minus 2 the whole square plus 3 square plus 4 square.
Absolutely. This is we consider the longest rod we consider. Orthogonal vectors 3. So now what's the answer? 4
Root
plus
29.
So root of 29. That many meter per second. ये तुम्हारा होगा tangential velocity, ये उसका magnitude होगा. Is this clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I erase this, students? Now Purvi is responding. For the first time, Purvi is responding as yes, sir. This is what it is. Students don't. Students, can I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Nishant, then coming to your question, Nishant, coming to your question, okay? Everybody, please try to look into page number. If you have a module. Yes, I know, Nishant. See one thing, Nishant, मैंने problem ज़्यादा कराए नहीं थे vectors के ऊपर, तो अभी बहुत सारे students को उसका basic concept पता चला. Now I'm throwing this question. Like, लेकिन ये भी तूने बहुत ही बड़ा dose दे दिया. Okay, let me see how many people can crack it. Okay, we are
Sir,
still
I solved it, but I didn't understand
No,
how
it
I
doesn't
solved
matter.
it.
You don't answer. You don't answer. You don't put your word at all. I want to see how many people are able to
Sir,
get
which
it.
page number?
Coming to it, students, page number 1818. Page number 18, students of your module. Everybody, please have a look into it. Exercise 1, question number 13.
Question number 13, we solve.
Exercise 1. Agreed. Page number 18. I'm giving you all 2 minutes to think onto it.
Okay, sir.
So I got it.
Yes, anybody?
Samya.
Yeah.
So given is the speed of the object is given 65 meters per second.
Hmm.
and the position vector of initial S1 is given 1i, and the
Hmm.
position vector of final point is 4i plus 4j plus 12k. So we
Wait
will
a
find the
minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. What is the position vector of B given to you?
so 4i plus 4j plus 12k.
4i plus
4j plus
Hmm.
12k.
12k, and that is given to you as R2.
Yes.
And this is R1 given to you, which I can write in terms of I plus 0j plus 0k in meter and in meter. ये दिया हुआ students. Please try to understand the question, and it's a very good question, students. Okay, this is a very good question. Now, from मुझे पता ये जो U 65 meter per second है, okay, is it from O to A or A to B? Or it remains constant throughout also?
So it's constant.
It's constant. So speed remains constant, but is it going with constant speed throughout the journey?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Absolutely correct, students. Motion कहाँ से शुरू हो रहा है, students? Does the motion of the body starting from O or starting from point A?
From point A, sir.
But already the body has covered some distance and then
Yes,
starting
sir.
from here.
Yes,
Agreed?
sir. Agreed.
यानी उसका मतलब स्टूडेंट्स एवरीबॉडी ध्यान से सुनना. सोचो कि तुम ओरिजिन पे हो. ओके, तुम ओरिजिन पे हो, तुम्हारा फ्रेंड कहीं खड़ा हुआ है तुम्हारे लिए. तो पहले तो तुम कुछ डिस्टेंस कवर करके जो वहां पे खड़ा हुआ है 1,0,0 उसके साथ में तुम मिल जाते हो, है ना. अभी दोनों मिल गया उस पॉइंट पे. फिर दोनों चलना शुरू करते हो या चल जाते हो विद अ कांस्टेंट स्पीड ऑफ हाउ मच 65 मीटर पर सेकेंड. और कहां पे पहुंचते हो 4i plus 4j plus 12k. और तुम यहां पे आ गए अभी दोनों जन. कुछ समझ में आ रहा है क्या क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूं मैं? स्टूडेंट्स, आर यू गेटिंग इट?
Yes, sir.
तुमने शुरू किया ओरिजिन से और तुम्हारा फ्रेंड कहीं दूर तुम्हारे लिए खड़ा हुआ है कि चल मुझे वहां पे आके मिल, हम साथ में जाते फिर. तो तुम कुछ तो चले हो और तुम्हारा जर्नी दोनों का यहां से शुरू हो रहा है, लेकिन तुम्हारा कहां से शुरू हुआ? तुम्हारा तो ओरिजिन से शुरू हुआ. यानी स्टूडेंट्स, अगर मैं डिस्प्लेसमेंट का फॉर्मूला देता हूं तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट जो रिजल्टेंट डिस्प्लेसमेंट आएगा ना स्टूडेंट्स मुझे, उसके साथ में तुम्हें ये डिस्प्लेसमेंट आई को ऐड करना पड़ेगा. ये जो 1 मीटर का या 1 यूनिट का जो डिस्टेंस कवर है तुम्हारा, उसको तुम्हें ऐड करना जरूरी होगा. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ? We are trying to find out for the motion with respect to you and not with respect to both of you. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ?
Yes, sir.
ये अगर क्लियर नहीं हुआ तो you can't proceed further with the question at all. Nishant, is it clear?
So can you explain
Yeah,
again?
but
Can you explain again, sir? I did not understand fully.
Which part you didn't understand?
Sir, why would we add I to the displacement final?
When you started from your home, so you didn't walk this much, or what?
Yes, we walked this much.
No, we need you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
With your friend, you. तो अगर तुम्हें तो कीशा पर के बाद कितना तेरा डिस्प्लेसमेंट हुआ तो ये तो ऐड नहीं करेगा ये इसके साथ में. तो यहाँ से
Oh,
शुरू
okay.
करता ना.
Okay, understood, sir.
This is
Understood.
not wrong. When I speak in English, you are not able to get it. When I speak in Hindi, you say yes, sir, understood. ऐसे नहीं करता है. अभी समझ में आया शुभम? Is it clear?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Absolutely. Okay, fine. Now let us go for this. Yeah, carry on with you are answering.
So, sir, we will find a net displacement. So, xy is equal to r2 minus r1.
Okay, this is I plus 0j plus 0k. This is R1 bar, this is R2 bar. So resultant change in displacement will be equal to R2 minus R1 students. Final position minus initial. So delta R क्या हो जाएगा मेरा? 4i minus I कितना होगा? 3i.
3i plus
4j
4j.
minus 0 will be 4j. 12k
Plus
minus 0
12K.
ये क्या है? डिस्प्लेसमेंट वेक्टर। स्टूडेंट्स बताया था कि नहीं बताया था? ये समझाया कि नहीं समझाया? ध्यान से देखो, मैंने समझाया था, यू आर स्टैंडिंग इन अ रूम, कॉर्नर योरसेल्फ 0,0, घर पे बटरफ्लाई आया था, यू टोल्ड योर मॉम बटरफ्लाई इज ओवर देयर, पोजीशन है, फिर उसका पोजीशन चेंज हुआ A to B, तो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली डिस्प्लेसमेंट? फाइनल माइनस द इनिशियल। तो ये तुम्हारा फाइनल हुआ,
Yes, sir.
माइनस ये निकाल दिया। हाँ, अभी बताओ आगे क्या करोगे इसमें?
So we will find magnitude of xy vector. So finding let xy vector make angle alpha, beta, and gamma with respect to x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis.
Okay, which vector you're saying it?
So alpha, beta, gamma.
So alpha, beta, gamma. Suppose this is alpha, this is beta, and this is gamma with respect to I, J, and K. Okay.
So now we will find the direction with respect to cosine.
Yes. So what exactly you'll get it?
So finding cos alpha, it will be xy into I 13 mod of I.
Wait a minute. Cos I will be adjacent upon hypotenuse.
Yes, sir.
So adjacent क्या होगा?
So adjacent will be xy.
XY. How come XY? Hypotenuse क्या होगा? What is hypotenuse? Smith?
Yes, sir.
XY क्या है? What exactly XY you are trying to go for it?
So for finding a vector that xy.
बढ़िया, cos अल्फा अगर तू लेगा तो एडजेसेंट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू अगर x एक्सिस लेगा तो ये i कैप के हिसाब से जाएगा, रिजल्टेंट ये होगा। cos बीटा होगा तो j के हिसाब से जाएगा ना, j ही आएगा, y एक्सिस ही आएगा, और रिजल्टेंट ये होगा जो i j k में होगा। cos गामा तो लेगा तो ओनली विद रिस्पेक्ट टू z एक्सिस, रिजल्टेंट विल बी द न्यूमरेटर तेरा i j k होगा, डिनोमिनेटर सिर्फ z एक्सिस होगा। इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड क्यों कर रहे हो? नाउ आंसर टू स्टूडेंट्स, प्लीज पे अटेंशन फ्रॉम हियर एवरीबॉडी। क्या इतना क्लियर हुआ स्टूडेंट्स? ये सबको क्लियर हुआ? इतना क्लियर हुआ? Students, can you find the magnitude of resultant displacement?
Yes, sir, we can say. Sir, can I say?
What is that? 3 square? बोलो।
13.
9 whole square?
16.
144, तो इसका आंसर कितना होगा?
144. So that will be 164.
169?
Yeah.
13 मीटर।
13
यानी
meters.
स्टूडेंट देखो, ये कितना डिस्टेंस हुआ? 13 मीटर। What is the speed? है ना? Speed, distance, what is time?
Time will be 1 second. 5 seconds.
Distance upon speed? 0.2 seconds.
0.2 seconds.
कुछ समझ में आया स्टूडेंट्स?
Yes, sir.
यानी अभी देखो, अभी सिंपल यूनिटरी मेथड यानी 0.2 सेकंड में स्टूडेंट्स तुम कवर करते हो 13 मीटर्स। तुम्हें क्या पूछा गया है? रीड द क्वेश्चन। 13 में क्या पूछा गया है? You have to find out the distance covered, the displacement in 2 seconds. In how much time? 2 seconds. So
2
can I say in 2 seconds, what is the resultant? What's the answer? What is the resultant displacement answer will be?
130 meter.
130 meter आ गया।
Yes,
Is
sir.
this clear? Is this clear? 130
Yes, sir.
मीटर यानी 130 मीटर यानी इसके साथ में मैं क्या ऐड कर मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा जो मुझे 130 मिलेगा? देखो सर, ये 3 है तो कहने से 10 into 3i plus 4j plus 12k, multiply this by 10, 30i, 40j, 120k, इसका मैग्नीट्यूड निकालो, तुम्हें 130 मीटर मिलेगा।
Yes, sir.
सॉल्व करो, ध्यान से सुनना, इसको सॉल्व करोगे ना तो 900 plus 1600 plus 144, इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकालोगे तो 130 मिलेगा। तो समझ में आ रहा है स्टूडेंट्स? In
Yes, sir.
0.2 seconds, it's covering 13 meters. In 2 seconds, it's 130 meter. 130 meter, that means if I'm finding out the देखो ना, तुम्हारा आंसर ये क्या? 130 मीटर आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है? इसका मैग्नीट्यूड इससे क्या मल्टीप्लाई करोगे जो 130 मिलेगा? मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10।
Yes,
समझ
sir.
में आ रहा है? इसको मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 करो, हो गया तुम्हारा आंसर। लेकिन तुमने शुरू कहाँ से किया था?
यहाँ से किया था.
तो
So we'll be adding it.
प्लस i को ऐड करना पड़ेगा ना,
हाँ sir,
तो क्या होगा 30 + 1 कितना होगा?
31.
Which option choose me? 31i,
D.
40k, 120k?
Option D.
ऑप्शन डी। दूसरी बात, अगर तुम्हारा ये तीनों पॉजिटिव में है स्टूडेंट्स, तुम्हारा रिजल्टेंट उसी डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है, यानी स्टूडेंट्स तुम्हारा रिजल्टेंट डिस्प्लेसमेंट तीनों ही पॉजिटिव ही होंगे। तो कोई स्टूडेंट्स थोड़ा भी सेंसिबल होगा, सारे ऑप्शंस को देखो, ए में -120 आ रहा है, बी में -120 आ रहा है, सी में -40 आ रहा है, तो वो तीनों तो रूल आउट हो जाएंगे। बचा कौन सा? फोर्थ वाला। लेकिन फोर्थ वाला में 31 आ रहा था, तो 31 के लिए स्टूडेंट्स वहां पे अटक जाते हैं। लेकिन अटके क्यों? क्योंकि ये तो रिजल्टेंट, ये तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट लिया ही नहीं उन्होंने। तो नाउ कैन आई गेट इट? द आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन बी।
Yes sir.
Sir, I found out the vector as 30 I cap और उसके बाद अटक गया था.
Okay, okay. Now you got it.
Sir, I used a very long
Yes,
method
sir.
over here.
No, doesn't
So what
matter.
I did
doesn't
was I found out the displacement of the vector over here as 130
Yes, sir. I also got the answer that.
time.
matter. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct.
But then I subtracted the vector I from all of these options and then began multiplying them.
Okay.
I used a very long method over here. I still got D as the answer, but it was very long.
Yes, sir. I
Okay.
also, after solving that XY, though I get the answer.
Okay, fine. Doesn't matter. Okay, students, the next lecture will be continuing further. Okay.
Okay, sir. Any homework?
Okay. You want the lectures? Okay.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.